Okay, so let's talk about how to install Matlab, the version 2021A, although this should also work for version 2021B. So we go to the MathWorks website. So MathWorks is the company that makes Matlab. And we're going to find the installation link for standard installation. All right. And so basically we look for how to install Matlab. And there are different ways of doing this. You could Google search this on your own, but basically what we're trying to do here is we're trying to use the York University's license to do the installation. So we're going to go to the downloads page. And again, you can find the downloads page a bunch of different ways. This is one way that I found it. And so you get to the download page for the MathWorks and it's Matlab product. And when you get to that point, you'll be asked for an email address. Now that's not the email address that's registered like as an employee of the MathWorks. It's your York University email address, and you need to create an account at the MathWorks with that York University email address. And this is where you would do it. Okay, I've already done it, so I've already done this, but you need to register with your @my.yorku.ca email address here. And so that's what you're going to create your MathWorks account with. All right. Now I'm going to use my MathWorks account address. It's this one. It's not yours. This is mine. I put in my password, not for York, but for the MathWorks. Okay. So at the commercial website, I put that in, I type it in, I hit enter, and then I'll get the web page with the download on it right afterwards. Okay. And so I'll bring that back in, and then I'll start the download, and we'll get an installer. See right here, this is download for macOS, but it would be for Windows as well. And you'll download it, and then you're going to sign in as your account name at the MathWorks, which is your my.yorku.ca email address. Okay. We'll get to that in a second. So I've got the install here. The executable has been downloaded. I'm going to run that executable. And so it's somewhere in your downloads folder. And that executable will run, and it will bring in all of the extra bits of software that you need to just run Matlab as a program on your computer. Okay, you might have to set some security permissions when you're doing that. It's a little bit different on Windows than it is on macOS, but basically the operating system wants to verify using your password on your local machine, not the login for the MathWorks or for York, but what's the password for your laptop or your desktop computer? And you write it in here. Okay. And then the installation will start. Now you have to once again put in your MathWorks ID, which happens to be your York email address. And you accept the terms, yes, 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 into your applications folder. You have to log in using the York login system one more time and put in your two-factor authentication. So a lot of installation stuff and passwords and that's going on. But basically you run through it sort of in a linear fashion. And it'll say that the verification was successful. Fantastic. We go back to the installer. All right, and now what we do is we select Matlab. And there are lots of other packages that you can install, but you don't need those. And you don't want to send them all of your personal information as you're using it, so don't do that. And then you wait for 20 minutes or so while it installs. So I fast forward this. It still takes a lot of time, even when fast forwarded. But it'll download the basic Matlab package. You don't need Simulink. You don't need the additional toolboxes, just regular Matlab. Okay. And once it's installed on your machine, then you can do a simple little test. You can do a 1 + 1 = 2 kind of test, or a print statement test, just to make sure that Matlab's running. All right, so here we go. It's taking about 20 minutes or so here in fast forward. But once it's installed, it's a great piece of software. You can do lots of stuff with it. It's linked to your academic account, so you can use it while you're at York for a number of years. You can update it as well. All right, so now I'm going to run MATLAB. Found it in my applications folder right there. Yeah, I want to have it access my documents too, because we need to be able to save stuff. And here we go. I'm going to do a little simple test. 1 + 1 is equal to 2. I'm going to do a display as well. Okay. Well, actually, I'll do some more little tests like this. You can repeat this. You can try variations on this, but you see it's basically working. All right, and that's what's important here. I'll display. MATLAB's working. We're good to go. All right. Good luck, everyone. Let me know if you have questions.